My name is Glen. I work for Victory Packaging. It's a packaging company. When I came here, I had no implants. I had a flipper, which is a partial denture on the bottom of my teeth that clip into the other teeth that were here. And then I would put a paste that would keep it from shifting while I'm talking. Anytime I would go out to eat on a date or with people or whatever, I have to try to eat something that I would know wouldn't disturb the partial. And then after I would eat, I would immediately go to the bathroom, rinse it out, and then put that paste on it so that I could be able to go back in and talk and feel normal without it shifting around. Very self-conscious thing, very self-conscious thing. And I'm a very confident person by nature, but not for those few years when I lost a lot of that confidence when I didn't have those teeth. But if you get implants, it changes your life. You can eat again, you have a full smile. If I were to open my mouth right now, you could barely tell I would have them only if I pointed to the specific spot. It's almost like I have teeth again. I don't remember that I have them anymore. They become part of my just normal mouth.
An implant is a small titanium piece that gets inserted into the bone, and it works as an artificial root to replace either one tooth or foundation to replace multiple teeth. Implants are probably the best solution to replace teeth because the titanium fuses or integrates with the bone and maintains that bone throughout the years. They are 99% success rate, and they're a terrific option for many patients.
My outlook on life is better, my confidence is back, my ability to eat foods is back in a different way. My other teeth are healthier because these are here to support. Oh, completely worth it, completely. I've been to 4 or 5 other locations, doctors in different states, and the majority of them made me feel like I was just a part of their machine and get in, knock my teeth out, put new ones in and get me out. And I didn't feel like they were there for me. I felt like I was there for them. When I got here, Dr. Castro and Georgia Prosthodontics showed me how I can keep the teeth that I do have in my mouth healthy for as long as possible so that we don't have to get rid of them right now. That's one of the things that made me really feel good about being here. I trust Dr. Castro and his office more than any other office I've ever been to by 100. And that's not even kind of a lie. I really, totally, completely trust them.